everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a loom mask. First, take your piece of fabric or bandana and lay it on a flat surface, just like this. Next, take the bottom and fold it 1/3 of the way up, like this. Then take the top and fold it 1/3 of the way down. Make sure that it's even, just like that. Next, take your filter and put it near the bottom, just like that. Then fold the top down so you can't see the filter. Next, take your loom and put the little bracelet side on the left side of your fabric or bandana. Then take the right side and put the bracelet on it, just like that. Make sure the top string of the loom is not shown, just like that. Then,
so this is Melody's mom, and I'm just taking over for her right now because this part is a little bit difficult for her. So after you put the 2 bracelets on the side and you made sure that the other string is in the back, take the left side, fold it towards the middle, take the right side and fold it towards the middle. But then now you're going to have to tuck the right side into the left side. So here's a tip. Fold it like a triangle or like an arrow, and then it'll help to go through much easier. So after you do that, you have to pull the left and the right side and bring the long part of the loom back to the front. Then you have your mask.